Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into creating a personal life goal tracker using Airtable, the 2025 edition. To kick things off, let's start by creating a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This step is crucial because it's like laying the foundation for our goal tracker. It sets the stage for everything that's to come. Now that we've done that, let's name our base Life Goals. Go ahead and add tables for different goal categories like personal, career, health, and financial. This helps us because it allows us to organize our goals into manageable categories, making them easier to track and achieve. Next up, let's create fields within each table. Click on the plus button next to the last field and add fields like goal, start date, end date, progress, and notes. The reason we do this is to capture all the necessary details about each goal, from what it is to how we're progressing towards it. Now, let's not forget to customize our views. Airtable allows us to view our data in different ways. For instance, you could use the grid view for a detailed view of your goals, or the calendar view to see your time-bound goals. Let me explain why this matters. These views offer us different perspectives on our data, helping us stay updated and focused on our goals. Just before we wrap up, there's one last thing to do, linking our tables. Click on Link to another record and select the appropriate table. This step is important because it allows us to associate goals across categories, helping us understand how our different life goals interconnect. And that's it. You've now got a personal life goal tracker in Airtable. It's an amazing tool to keep track of your life goals, stay motivated, and achieve more. Use it consistently, and you'll see the difference. Thanks for joining me, and as always, keep striving for your goals.